Welcome to Texas Brisket Biscuit. We're going to take y'all on a little biscuit flight because we have what I like to call a flight of biscuits with all their specialty butters. So we are going to zoom right back up here and start by telling you what each one is. So we will begin with the bacon and white cheddar biscuit, and that comes with a sun-dried tomato butter. Next is our green chili and queso fresco biscuit, and the butter that it comes with is an apricot honey butter. So those two combinations are really flavorful. It's one of my favorites. The next one that we have is a ham and Swiss, and it comes with a lemon thyme honey butter, and that gives you just a real fresh taste to go along with the ham and Swiss. The next one they have is the grandpappy of them all, the brisket biscuit with a hickory brown sugar barbecue butter with just a hint of chipotle, because you know how it is here in Texas. We like everything with a little bit of spice. The next one is our blue cheese and dried cranberry biscuit, and it has an apple cider jam with a touch of maple syrup butter to go with it. It's very good. And the last one is our feature biscuit. This is shown in our mini size, M-I-N-I size, and it has a honey goat cheese and in it, and also a cinnamon sugar tucked into the inside. And it comes with a Parker County peach butter, and it is delicious. So that's it. That's our complete offering at this time. Plenty to choose from. You can find just about anything for anybody in this lineup. We do change the feature biscuit out from time to time, so check back and see what we've got cooking next time. And thanks y'all for coming on the flight.